Greetings and introductions made easy. In this lesson, we're learning how to start conversations in English with confidence and clarity. Think of greetings and introductions as the doorway to every conversation. As we go through the following lesson, you will learn common British ways to say hello and goodbye, how to ask and answer how are you, polite phrases for introducing yourself and others, what not to say and what to say instead. Let's take a look at greetings in action. Saying hello. Hiya, hiya. This is a very friendly and informal way of saying hello. Hello, hello. This is a natural greeting and works in almost any situation. You alright? Alright. You alright? Alright. This is a common greeting that just means hello. Don't worry, it's not a medical check. Morning or good morning. Morning or good morning. You can say either of these greetings to sound friendly and informal. How's things? How's things? This is a casual greeting often used among friends. You okay? You okay? This is a friendly way to check in with your friends or to greet people. How are you doing? How are you doing? This is a slightly more formal way to ask about somebody's well-being. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. This is a casual and familiar mate, which is a friend or acquaintance. Saying goodbye. Bye or goodbye, bye or goodbye is a standard and neutral way of saying bye. See you later, see you later. This is a casual way of saying I'll see you later, but doesn't actually mean I'll see you later. Take care, take care. This is a warm and polite way of saying goodbye. Catch you in a bit, catch you in a bit. This is a friendly and informal way of saying ta-ta. Toodaloo, toodaloo. This is quite old-fashioned but a playful way to say bye for now. Right, I'd best be off then. Right, I'd best be off then. This is a natural British phrase for politely leaving a conversation. Gotta dash, gotta dash. This means I have to go in an informal and cheerful way. Starting a conversation. What's your name? What's your name or what is your name? I'm Ellie. I'm Ellie or I am Ellie. My name is Ellie. My name's Ellie or my name is Ellie. Everyone calls me Dickie. Everyone calls me Dickie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. This is Zoe. We work together. This is Zoe. We work together. We've not met, have we? We've not met, have we? I don't think we've been introduced. I don't think we've been introduced. Greetings in action with real-life dialogue. A casual conversation at a cafe. All right, mate. Yeah, not bad, you. Can't complain. I'm Josh, by the way. Nice one, I'm Ben. You from round here? First day at work. Morning. I don't think we've met. I'm Priya. Oh, hiya. I'm Ben. Lovely to meet you. You too. First day nerves? Just a bit. Hopefully I won't break anything. Meeting through a friend. Hiya, I'm Sophie. You must be Ben's mate. That's right, I'm Will. Nice to finally meet you. Heard lots about you. Oh, uh-oh. All good things, I hope. At the doctor's surgery. Morning, do you have an appointment? Yes, I've booked to see Dr. Patel at 10. Ah, lovely, just take a seat and we'll call you in a bit. Cheers, thanks. Meeting a new colleague. Hiya, I'm Sophie, just joined the team. Oh, brilliant, welcome aboard, I'm Zoe, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. If you've got any questions, give me a shout. Bumping into a neighbour. All right, Dave. Yeah, not bad, you. Can't complain. Off anywhere nice. Just popping down the shop for a pint of milk. At a cafe. Morning, what can I get you? Hiya, just a flat white, please. No worries, having it in or taken away. I'll take it to go, thanks. Lovely, that's £5.20, please. On the phone with a friend. Hello, stranger. Hiya, it's been ages. How have you been? Not bad at all, you? Busy as ever, but good tar. Fancy a catch-up this week? In this lesson, we've learned how to say hello and goodbye in natural, everyday British English, ask and answer, what's your name, use polite phrases like nice to meet you and how are you, practice real-life conversations using common greetings. Alrighty, so if you've enjoyed this lesson, please be sure to like and subscribe and even comment, and I hope to see you again.